Welcome, everyone, to the deep dive. Today, we're really getting into something exciting. Gemini CLI, the AI in your terminal.
That's right.
Think about your terminal, that command line interface you probably live in.
Uh-huh.
Imagine that becoming, well, smart. Understanding what you need, helping with code, even debugging, just using natural language.
Yeah.
So our mission today is to unpack this new open source AI agent. We want to see what it is and explore some of the, frankly, unexpected power it seems to offer.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And for you listening, especially if you're a developer or someone who manages complex tasks digitally, this matters.
Right.
We're seeing AI bake right into fundamental tools like the command line. Understanding this is key to streamlining how you work.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be digging into the details based on the official documentation and related materials like the Gemini CLI.pdf.
Okay, let's dive in then. So what is Gemini CLI fundamentally?
At its core, it's a free open source tool, an AI agent.
Okay.
It lets you interact with Google's Gemini models directly, right there in your terminal window.
Which gives individuals really direct access, doesn't it? No complex setup.
Exactly. And we all know how much developers rely on the terminal. It's efficient, it's everywhere, super portable.
Totally. It feels like a natural next step, putting AI assistance right there.
And what's really interesting from the source material is how versatile it is. It's not just for coding tasks.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
We'll think content generation, brainstorming ideas, complex problem solving, even deep research or managing your tasks.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's so lightweight, it's arguably the most direct way to get your prompt to the model and get a response.
And it ties into Google's other AI coding tools.
Yes, deeply. It connects with Gemini Code Assist. So that AI-first coding help is available across the board, whether you're using the free plan, standard, or enterprise, in your IDE or your terminal.
Now, here's something that really jumped out at me from the docs. The usage limits for individuals. They seem incredibly generous.
They really are. If you just log in with your personal Google account, your regular Gmail or Google account, you get a free Gemini Code Assist license.
And that free license unlocks Gemini 1.5 Pro.
That's right. Gemini 1.5 Pro with that massive 1 million token context window.
1 million tokens.
Yeah.
Pause on that. That means it can process, what, like entire code bases or huge documents all at once?
Essentially, yes. It allows for incredibly complex and context-aware interactions. And the free allowance, it's 60 requests per minute.
60 per minute.
And up to 1,000 requests per day.
Mm.
And no charge. That's pretty much the best free tier in the industry right now.
Wow. Okay. And for pros needing more?
There are options. You can use keys from Google AI Studio or Vertex AI for specific models, or get higher tier Code Assist licenses. But for most individuals, that free tier is enormous.
So how does it actually do all this? What are the capabilities?
Well, the powerful AI features are currently in preview, but they include things like really deep code understanding.
Mm.
It can manipulate files directly, run commands for you, and even help troubleshoot problems dynamically. You basically talk to it in natural language.
To write code, fix bugs, manage workflows.
Exactly. And it has built-in tools to make it smarter. It can use Google Search to ground prompts in real-time information.
So it's not working off old data.
Right. It can fetch web pages for current context. Plus, it's extensible through something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP.
MCP, what's that allow?
It's a way for you or other tools to connect it to your own custom data sources or capabilities. There are also bundled extensions, ways to customize prompts, and you can even automate tasks using it within scripts non-interactively.
That sounds powerful. The source even had that fun example, didn't it? Using it to script making a video about a cat.
Yeah. A ginger cat's adventures in Australia using VO and Imagen. It just shows the breadth. It's not limited to typical dev tasks. It's a general-purpose AI assistant in your terminal.
And crucially, it's open source.
Early open source, Apache 2.0 license, which is great.
Means you can look under the hood, right? Check the code, see how it works.
Absolutely. Inspect it, verify security, and even contribute back. Report bugs, suggest features, submit code fixes on GitHub. It really embraces the community.
Nice.
And remember, this ties back to the bigger picture with Gemini Code Assist. The same core AI agent tech runs there too.
In VS Code, for instance.
Yes, through Code Assist's agent mode. That lets the AI handle really complex multi-step tasks like writing unit tests, fixing tricky bugs, or migrating code between frameworks.
With error recovery.
Yeah, it has auto recovery if things go wrong. And that agent mode is also available at no extra cost on all the Code Assist plans, free, included via the Insiders channel right now.
So wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway for you listening?
It's a significant upgrade for your terminal. plain and simple.
Yeah, it really feels like it. And super easy to get started. Just need that Google account.
Pretty much for practically unlimited free access to some very advanced AI right where you work.
Okay, so here's something to mull over as we finish up.
Go for it.
Consider this. How might having this kind of powerful personal AI seamlessly integrated into such a fundamental tool like the terminal, how might that change things? Not just how we code, but how we approach problem solving, research, creation, pretty much any digital task.
That is a profound question.
Yeah.
It really could shift how we interact with our computers day to day. A fundamental change.
Definitely something to think about. A huge thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Gemini CLI today.
My pleasure.
And if you found this useful, if you enjoyed the discussion, please do us a favor, like this video, share it, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps us create more content like this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks again for listening, and we'll catch you on the next deep dive.